Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue lesson 1, the characteristic of cells. What parts do all cells have in common? So we should know what parts do all cells have. Look here. Cell membrane is a part of cell. All cells have some structure in common, like cell membrane. A cell membrane is a protective layer that covers a cell surface. Cell membrane is a protective layer that covers a cell surface. Look, it covers a cell. It acts as a barrier between the inside of the cell and outside of the cell. So it's a barrier between inside the cell and environment and outside of the cell. So it acts as a barrier between the inside of the cell and the cell's environment. It also controls the material moving into and out of the cell. So it controls what gets in the cell and what gets out. It acts as a barrier. So cell membrane is a protective layer that protects the cell and cover it. It acts as a barrier that controls what gets inside and what gets out of the cell. It is a barrier between the inside of the cell and outside of the cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid. This called the blue color, this one, or the baby blue color, this called cytoplasm, is a fluid. So is the region inside the cell that includes fluid, is a fluid that carry all organs, all organs inside the cell. So is a fluid that carry all organs inside the cell, and all organs except the nucleus. So the cytoplasm is present or carry all organs inside the cell, is a fluid that carry all organs inside the cell except the fluid, except the nucleus. This one, this called nucleus, this called the nucleus, the oval one, this one. Cytoplasm is a region inside the cell that includes fluids and all organs except for the nucleus. So we should know what's meant by organs. Organ is a small body in the cytoplasm. This called organ. Small body, and the orange one, this called fluid. This is fluid. This is cytoplasm. This called organ. Organ. This and this and this. All of this called organ, and also this one, this organ. It's like an organ inside the cell, but inside the cell called organelle. Organelle is a small body in the cytoplasm that specific to perform a specific function. Each organ inside the cell has a specific function to do it. Cytoplasm is a fluid that carry organelle. Organ is like an organ inside the human body, but inside the cell called organelle. So organelle is small body in the cytoplasm, has specific functions. Each organelle has a specific function to do it. The nucleus, this one, is a membrane-bound organelle that contains DNA. Nucleus, the circular one, has a membrane. Inside the nucleus there is a DNA. So each cell has a nucleus. This nucleus carry the DNA. So nucleus is a membrane-bound organ that contains DNA. This DNA. There is a DNA inside the nucleus. DNA inside the nucleus. Okay? DNA is a genetic material. DNA, this one that I drew, is a genetic material that provides instructions for cell process. This is carry information about the cell. DNA inside each cell carry the information about the cell process and carry information about it is a genetic material that carry information about the cell, carry all cell process. This DNA present in the nucleus. So DNA is called also deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is DNA. The deoxy nucleic acid, DNA is a genetic material that carry information about the cell and the cell function and the cell process. So it carry all information about the cell. This is called DNA that present inside the nucleus. Nucleus is an organ, membrane organ, has a cell membrane, has a membrane that contain DNA. That's it. Thanks for watching.